Akin lang, hindi na sila. Happy birthday!
Hi, Cynthia! Happy birthday! Golden girl. Parang hindi ako makapaniwala. You look like 30s. The 50s is the new 30s because of you. I wish you all the best in the world, and I know and I feel and I believe that you're such a good mother to your children. Napakaswerte nila, and you're a good wife and the best sister to your siblings. And I wish that all your birthday wishes will come true, especially what your heart really desire, because you deserve all the best, Cynthia. Kahit maiksi pa kitang kasama o nakilala, I know, ramdam ko na napakabuti mong tao. So with that, I pray for more blessings and more birthdays to come. Sorry, wala ako dyan ha. Bartolina muna ako sa hospital. But I will see you soon. Happy birthday! Enjoy!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! I love you always. Last time ng birthday ko, kinantahan mo ako, so it's my turn. Kantahan ka naman ngayon. And I'm really very happy to be one of your friends. Napakabait mong nilalang. You're so helpful. And I pray to the Lord that He will continuously guide you with good health and happiness. I hope to see you. Can't wait na magkita na tayo dito sa Pinas. Uwi ka na. Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday, Tita! Enjoy your day. God bless.
God bless.
Happy 50th birthday, Tita! Sayang, hindi kami nakapunta to celebrate with you, pero sana makapag-celebrate tayo some other time. I miss you and I love you.
I wish you happiness and good health, Tita. Love you, love you, love you, love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Tita.
Happy Tita.
Happy birthday, Tita Cynthia! God bless you!
Oh, happy 50th birthday. Wishing you a beautiful day and many more birthdays for the year to come. May God shower you today with more blessings and love. Enjoy your special day with family and friends. Happy birthday again, Cynthia.
Happy birthday, Tita Cute. Enjoy your day. God bless you always. Thank you and we love you.
Hey, Lola Cynthia. We love you.
Go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Lola Cynthia!
Happy birthday, Lola Ganda!
Hello, Sis Bunso. Maligayang karawan sa iyo. 50 years old ka na. Kaya talagang mabuti ang Diyos para sa atin dahil pinaabot tayo na maabot natin yung ganitong edad para lalo nating makita ang kabutihan ng Diyos sa buhay natin. Naway patuloy kang magkaroon ng maayos at magandang kalusugan. At naniniwala ako na dahil sa pananampalataya natin sa Diyos na itinuro sa atin ng ating nanay at tatay, ay talagang tinanggap natin ang mga biyaya na hindi natin inaasahan na magkakaroon tayo. Katulad nyo na nandiyan kayo sa Amerika, isang napakagandang bansa na pag-i-stayan. Kami dito ay talaga namang kahit papaano sa awat habag ng Diyos, sa biyaya ng Diyos ay nabubuhay pa rin. At masasabi kong napakabuti niya sa atin dahil lahat tayo ay nagkaroon ng buhay na masagana. Kaya patuloy kang manampalataya sa Panginoon at siyempre yung pamilya mo, yung asawa, mga anak mo, nawa ay patuloy na tanggapin nyo yung kapayapaan ng Diyos. Salamat sa pagkakataong ito na nabigyan ako ng pagkakataong batiin ka. Muli, happy 50th birthday. I love you, sis.
Oh, na.
Hi, Cynthia.
Hello. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Cynthia.
Happy birthday, Cynthia.
You're 50 now. You're still beautiful as you are inside and out.
And you are still tall.
No.
Maligayang kaarawan sa aking bunsong kapatid. Sana maging masaya, healthy, always ka itong forever na healthy. Thank you lah sa lahat-lahat, Cynthia, nung nandyan kami. Naalala ko pa yung lahat ng pag-entertain, yung lahat ng sinikap niyong effort, kahit na malatang-malata kayo galing sa trabaho, pinapasya niyo kami lagi. Maraming salamat doon. Talagang hindi namin makakalimutan yan. Sa iyo, Tina, Noel, sa inyo lahat. Kay Lida, thank you sa lahat ng aking pamangkin dyan.
Pati yung anak ko, baka magtampo.
Si Clarice, lalo na si Clarice, saka si Allison.
Sila Chad, si Chester, thank you sa mga tinapay niyo, si Chloe, si Anthony, thank you. Thank you sa bubble tea.
Sayang alalahanin yung nandyan kami. Na kahit na sandali lang kami, bitin, pero ang saya-saya namin. Thank you. Sana nga yung birthday mo maging masaya kahit gusto mo namin pumunta, hindi naman kami makakapunta, wala na kami pamusahe.
We love you. Stay
healthy
as you are. God bless.
Thank you sa lahat. God bless you all.
Hello, Cynthia. Kumusta kayo sa inyo lahat dyan? Happy birthday. 80 ka na pala. Basta iingat kayo lagi. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to you. Sino mo?
Hi, Cynthia! Happy 50th birthday to my cutest, prettiest, and kind sister-in-law in the world. Love you!
Happy birthday, Tita Cynthia!
Okay, happy birthday, Lola Cynthia.
Happy birthday po, Lola Cynthia!
Louder mga po, louder.
Happy birthday, Lola Cynthia! Love you!
Enjoy your day po!
Regards all!
That's it.
Ingat ka dyan!
Edit ni Master Ren.
Enjoy!
1, 2, 3. O, yun na na. 1, 2, 3, go! Surprise! Happy birthday, Cynthia! Little girl, I miss you, I love you. Sana magkaroon ko ng maraming birthday. Kamusta sa lahat? Okay.
Happy birthday, Tita. Wish namin sa'yo, sana makauwi ka na dito at makasama ka namin. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Sabi sa'yo hindi ako nagkamali ha. Sinurprise ka nila. Happy birthday ulit. Love you.
Happy birthday, Rika!
Happy birthday, Mom. See you soon. Hopefully as early as next year. Love you and I miss you. Bye.
gosh! Thank you talaga. The best birthday.